Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can change your Monopoly Go profile picture. So to start with, you first want to have the app open and you'll be brought to this page here. If we head into the top right corner and click those three bars, we can get taken to this page where it will tell us a bit about our profile. So at the top, as you can see, it shows you your name and it also gives you a profile picture. So the first way to actually change our profile picture would just be to click on it. And as you can see, we have all these different options which we can choose for our profile picture. However, you may not want one of these. You may want your own custom profile picture. So don't worry, I'm going to get to that in a second and we'll show you how to do that. While you're also on this page, you are able to change your name if that's something you also want to do, as these usernames will be given to you by default. As you can see, I didn't actually pick this name. It was just a random one generated for me. So if you were to change that, you can click that and then change it. However, we might not want to do that. So I'm going to get onto the second stage where I'm going to show you how to add your own custom profile picture into Monopoly Go. And the way to actually do it is to connect to Facebook. So as you can see here, there's a Facebook button and it says this game needs to access your public profile in order to connect your account. This game needs to access your Facebook friends in order to connect with your friends in the game. They will not post any content or reveal any information without your permission. So if you want to go ahead and do that, go ahead and click confirm. And then after you've done that, it'll bring you over to the Facebook app to confirm it. And then from there, your account will be imported into the game. And then here's where your account will change. So your username will be changed to your Facebook name. And your profile picture will be changed to the same picture that you have on Facebook. So if you want the picture that you've brought on Facebook over to Monopoly Go, this is the only way on how to do it. You just have to connect your account. And then from there, your profile will be imported in and your profile picture will have then changed. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to change your Monopoly Go profile picture. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.